You can create maps to identify patterns in your data. Data with geographic dimensions is converted into values that can be displayed on a map, making it easy for you to visualize scenarios, illustrate hotspots, and identify potential problem areas. There are two types of maps, choropleth and proportional symbol or bubble maps. Choropleth maps are useful for visualizing location-based data, trends, and distributions across a geographic area. Bubble maps focus on specific points. The size of the bubble varies depending on the underlying data. You choose one of these map types from the content picker. Each one requires the addition of a geolocation field in the location bucket. These fields are listed in the Field tab, amongst other dimensions and measures. Each is denoted with a special symbol, enabling easy identification. Once you have chosen your map and added a geolocation field in the location bucket, you're ready to begin applying the various formatting tools that are available to you. You format your map using the map options that are available on the Format tab. You can format different aspects of your map using base maps, demographic layers, and reference layers. Base maps display a layer that positions data as it is located, in context to other geographical features such as streets or terrain. Some options include OpenStreetMap, National Geographic, terrain, and satellite image maps. Geographic data is plotted in relation to the base map. Demographic layers display a layer of information about people and businesses in a specific demographic area, including the United States and 120 other countries. You can customize this list as well. Reference layers display a layer of boundaries and locations that range from a continental scale to country, state, and even local neighborhoods. Creating something that you can distribute and enhance with other visualizations. Administrators can configure additional base maps, demographic layers, reference layers, and geographic roles from the Geoconfiguration page on the server console. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.